Welcome back to CC's Garage. Said I was going to do a little practicing, testing on the Corolla here. As you can see, somebody's taken and spray painted white paint in a few spots on the car. And you can tell even this back panel looks like somebody wet sanded it and never finished it. And then we've got a spot around here on the driver's door that I've already done a little testing with to see how it's going to turn out. I've basically I've used some old Turtle Wax heavy duty cleaning compound and just my little Milwaukee M12 polisher. Now I do have some XP Magic Cut here. I'm going to try also. Got me a bucket of clean water, and this is just clean water in a spray bottle to add to it. As you can tell back here, I've buffed just a little bit already on this. Grab a light and throw on that subject there. That way we can get a better look at it. Okay. And there we go. So you can see where it's been sanded a little bit, but you can see up here where I see the sanding scratches. You can see there where I bucked it just a little bit and brought it out. Now I would wash this car real good if I was worried about the paint. Get as much of the dirt off of it as I could, but as you can tell, it's got to have body work. I mean, we got rust popping here. Of course, the dents in the top, places in the strip edge. Of course, this quarter here, bottom of the doors and all that. So let me get you set up, and we're going to start buffing on a little bit more, and I'll bring you back when I get started on that. Okay. I wipe that area down with a towel real quick. I'm going to just take some of the regular buffing or Turtle Wax heavy duty and come in here. I've got the speed set on low. And just run across it. I mean, I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but there's no better way to learn than to practice. You want to stay away from sharp edges like this, but you can already see the difference that has made in 1 minute. Find a better place to set you up, get a better view. Okay. Grab my wet, just a dry towel here. Now you see, in less than right at a little over a minute and a half. Look how much of that I knocked out. And I'm going to step up to the other compound here for a second. And I may not be doing it quite right the way I'm doing it. Just a little water on there. But I'm going to go to the extra cut. This stuff's supposed to be a little heavier duty than the in the Meguiar, or the Turtle Wax. Don't remember it being purple before, but I'll show you. And just with that little bit extra, you can see how much more I've got off there. And you get a look at it now. Got a few little white spots left. There's overspray on the edge of this door but I haven't even gone there yet, or this edge. So I'm gonna cut you off and work on this a little bit more and see how good we can get it to look. Okay, just a few minutes work, and look, the paint is gone. It is a little more shiny. It'll take a lot more work to get it where it needs to be, but you can see here where it goes from dull to light. Well, let's turn this. Now, you can see where I kind of hit it around here where the sand marks and all are. But what I'll do is I'll go the rest of the way around the car, I'll finish up on the door, and then I'll get back here on the hatch. All I'm trying to do is just get the paint off. Like I said, this car's gonna have to be painted. But something quick, something easy I could do. So let me get it knocked off and I'll show you what it all looks like when I get done. Okay, it took me maybe half hour that was getting everything together. But here's how it looks. Here's the back hatch look. Now it's still in the ladder in there. I'd have to pop that off to get it, which I will down the road. All of it's gone in there. And there's still a little bit around this number 2. But this side, they're pretty well gone. And on this door, right here is the only part I've had trouble with. And the biggest reason I haven't gone any farther with it tonight is on the edges there, on this body line right here, the paint gets thin. So I don't want to burn it and have a scar there, even though it's not going to hurt anything when you compare it to, you know, the rest of the car. But I'll probably come in and try this by hand and just see if I can get the rest of this knocked out. This isn't to make the car look great. It's just to get rid of the white paint that's on there That way it's not such an eyesore, because, you know, it's not a pretty car, but when you got it, looks like somebody was trying to spray graffiti on it. It looks pretty bad. Well, I'm going to tell you, I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe. I need to get some more people on here. That way I can get monetized to help me pay for my parts and all that. But thank you. Please have a nice day. Come back and watch me again.